Right, perfect then into a perfect season.
Yeah, it was definitely. You know, we done all right first half. You know, and second half we're coming to life a bit more. And we always knew it was going to be difficult. You know, I always had a feeling that Newtown would drop back in and play deep and try and get on the counter attack. But obviously we scored a goal, which made it difficult for them, and they had to open up a little bit. And I think, you know, the game was dead and buried with Shane getting sent off in a penalty. So, which I think was a very harsh decision.
Do you feel sort of on the pitch it wasn't that classic, that tight? You sort of grind out a result today in the end?
No, I don't think so. I probably disagree with you a little bit. I don't think it was a game to have a Classic Cup tie because Newtown didn't come out and play. They sat back in and we controlled the game, controlled possession and moved the ball and it went exactly the way we wanted to go. And obviously a Classic Cup tie is two teams going hammer and tongs at each other, and we knew Newtown weren't going to do that, so it maybe took a little bit of fire out of the game, but we were quite happy to control the game with possession.
Newtown had little patches of pressure. You know what, Jason Oswald had a great chance. Then this end of the ground, if you feel you had a tight grip on the game through that.
I thought in open play we had control of the game. I think they were dangerous from set plays, which we knew that. You know, they're a big physical team that got good delivery, so we knew it was always going to be tough. And the opportunity you're talking about was come from a long throw, so you know we knew we had to defend our set piece as well, but we're comfortable in open play.
A domestic treble, and you've lost one game all season. Does that rank up there in your career achievements?
Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed, to be honest, but losing a game you're disappointed. But nah, of course I'm not. It's, you know, it's beyond what we set out to do. You know, just speaking to someone else there, we'll have a meeting at the start of the season and what we want to gain and how we want to gain it, and you know, and obviously you put down, you don't want to get beat, you want to win every game and you want to win the treble. But you know, even me being as win driven as what I am, then you know, it is above and beyond what you probably expect from a normal season. But then again, at TNS it's expected every week to win the games.
And just finally, other teams that are going off and enjoying the most pre-season now, was it 3 weeks?
3 weeks, yeah. The lads are back in. They'd be pleased to know they're back in on the 25th of May. So, you know, they won't get too far or lose too much fitness, but that's part and parcel of Champions League football. You know, it's modern day football now as well. You know, Premier League teams are going off to America, Asia, you know, big tournaments. So professionals are supposed to be professionals now, and you know, have a 10 days downtime and then start getting heads back on pre-season and trying to get through that elusive Champions League.
That's great. Cheers.
No problem.